Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
For this operation, get hold of the cabin filter that you will find in the video description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. The cabin filter is located on the passenger side under the glove box. Press the flap on the pollen filter cover and pull it towards you with gentle back and forth movements. There are several types of cabin filters. The white ones mainly to stop dust. The black ones are activated carbon filters and filter out dust, odours and gases. There's now a new generation of filters on the market. Perflux has developed Cabin HEPA Plus cabin filters, which filter out virus-sized particles and offer 50 times the protection of traditional cabin filters. The choice is yours. Before putting the new one, it is important to clean off the remaining impurities from inside the filter compartment. Slide the filter into its housing, paying careful attention to the flow of air. Operation completed.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.